Hi, Killer Clans. Welcome to Phillipsburg, Pennsylvania. And we're back at the We Are In. As you can see, we've got Molly, Schuyler. We're here today because Pat called us. Not only does he do cheesesteaks, but they're switching the menu. You know, with all the things going on, they're going to start offering a lot of pasta dishes. So he made us a monster pasta dish, and we're up here to try this thing out. So, very big, huge 12-pound bowl of pasta. It's kind of ridiculous. Garlic bread. It even has a salad because we're trying to keep it healthy. So let's go check it out.
الرجا والخوف قلبي طائر ومن اليقين النور بيض جوانحي فوق السحاب يطير حرا مدركا نسمو كماله للكون وجه آخر.
My pasta was sold had a tree growing from the middle. The Joel Henson. Alright, Killer Clan, so we're inside the We Are In, and Pat brought up a family share bowl. Of course, Molly and myself came by ourselves, so we're just going to share our own bowls with ourselves. But they got this big thing of pasta, got some garlic toast, and they brought out a healthy salad for us.
Schmelpy.
I went with light French because I'm trying to keep the calories down.
Blue cheese because I like stinky cheese. 3, 2, 1 with the baby salad. Go. Because I actually do this at my house. I'm not gonna lie.
Really?
I actually do.
Look, Mom, you'd be proud of me and my fish.
I'm never going to car now. Going to I'll put it in my phone. All kinds of things on that. No, like I had it here. I'll have it in here in August. Good luck.
Thank you. We'll handle it. Salad was good. That thing was a beast at 6 quarters.
Oh, I thought you meant the salad.
It's actually perfect.
Me too.
We're just enjoying now the time right here. They're speed eating, they're just...
Pretty good.
So you're working every day, huh? Your wife's not feeling well.
They'll have what we're having.
Had mussels.
dinner?
Yeah. She said,
I just come with a side salad. You cut the dressing and you go with it.
what is that? What kind of salad was it?
Somehow I'm coming across and I'm skirting
Different age brackets.
Yeah, you're see, I don't understand how I get New York.
Sounds like a good plan.
Well, I can't get to it first. We did that 500 foot. Our building. The football field is 300. The football field's not big enough to go.
Didn't that thing end up being 550? 510. 510, that's a low beat. I was looking up some of the media on it.
I don't take a shit down for anything anyway. The end-to-end result.
Yeah, you need an adjudicator, otherwise they won't count it.
Somebody forgot to write a check. You gotta do it 3 weeks ahead of time.
To Guinness? Cost a fortune.
And they had to check with the check. How are you? Too late. And this and that. You gotta do the check. We can't change the date. Snail.
What snail?
Yeah, it's like between $7,000 and $10,000 usually.
Usually.
I met you, oh my gosh, years ago. Wait,
We have to try Pat's Wooderight.
I'm bartending. Oh, really? But that's a new experience.
Yeah, Shauna got the thing and was blown up and then there was she couldn't give it away. She had to settle it and they have to approve. So I said, yeah, so I said, forget it, just take your money and forget it. I'm good. I'm good.
Want pasta? A lot of pasta.
And steak. Oh, up there, that's right. So whatever you do, obviously. Oh my God.
But then we were fine. We went to gyms. It was my birthday.
Ooh, that's it. She was going to go to the gym. Yeah. Tap on the gym.
I can't stand about that.
That was delicious. $9.55 or something. Too much air in this.
Huh?
Too much air in this.
He never called me back. Yeah, because I was trying to get a hold of you and you were over.
No, the shooter was just about finished.
An hour.
You just feel full.
Oh. My stomach is kicking back right now.
Yeah.
I'm not full. I'm kind of like, I've got some acid reflux going on right now.
Yeah.
Every time I get down,
I would think, yeah.
where the couch was, you know, the house down here. And, yeah,
You gotta better healthy vegetables. You gotta keep it balanced, you know. Got the vegetables, you got your carbohydrates. Molly Schuyler.
God bless you, folks.
Yeah, somewhere around 12:30 from Molly Schuyler.
Yeah, not too bad. Not too bad.
Alright, Killer Clan, so that's the family share pasta bowl here at the We Are In Phillipsburg, Pennsylvania. If you're ever in this area, make sure you stop in. Try out one of their pasta dishes, try out their cheesesteaks. I recommend the Pat Way's cheesesteak. Except I would take the ketchup off and put mayonnaise. That's just me. But make sure you come in here, tell Pat we sent you. And just have like a don't recommend the family share unless you bring like 8 people maybe. But if, I mean,
Sharing
if you want to try this thing, you could, but it's big.
Get it here because you can't.
It's really big.
Massive.
Check out Molly's channel. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at theclargest. See you on the next one.